Hi, my name is Jayson Bascuniana, and for today's video, we will tackle about Chapter 3. And now in this chapter, you will discover the utilization of variable and comments in the Python code, alongside the interaction with your computer through input and output in the Python code programming. First, go to Google and search Visual Studio Code. Then, click the first website and click the download here. Then after that, if you download the Visual Studio Code, go to the extension and search for GitHub Copilot. You can easily use Python code. Click the new folder and create sample. Click the new file. Then now you can code here. And now we will discuss about the variables, which is the core of programming. We use variables to store data in the reserved memory. Count set in 1000. This variable represents as memory location. We can use this variable anywhere on our program to get access to that memory location and data stored there. So now if we print student count and run out the program, we will get the number of 8000. And this example 4.99, this what we call a float or a floating point number. In the terminology is not specific on Python. In the near future, you will hear this term when you are using Python programming. Next, Boolean example. Boolean is a value called even, true, or false. It's just like answering yes or no. We are using this Boolean to make a decision in our programs. Welcome to Python 3. Beginner 3 input and output. Python make it easy for us, providing us to easy to use function. We already use output function which is print. We are customizing our output to make it better and easy to read. First, we look here to make output nice. We can create a variable code name and set to our name, and let's proceed to our Visual Studio Code. And now we are using variable name, space, equal, open quotation, Jayson, then close quotation. Now print, open colon, double quotation, hello, my name is, double quotation again, then plus symbol, a variable name, close colon. After that, now we can run this. Then now we can see the output here. Hello, my name is Jayson. Alternatively, instead of using plus sign, we use comma instead. Then removing the space, then the comma will automatic added for us. As you can see here, we get the same output here. Also, hello, my name is Jayson. And this is the end of this video. Once again, my name is Jayson Bascuniana, and thank you for watching. See you. God bless.